a nigga getting bangs. I ain't really give a fuck about what you think. Hey, gotta shout out one time to my main. I ain't got a main, I'm just getting anything that I could. Yeah, we in the whip and I'm smoking on his good. Understood that I saw my break. Hey. And I cannot give you any of my days. Talking release, the way that I speak and hop up on these beats. They be saying that I preach, gotta break them off with a little something each. I mean, it means a whole lot to you and don't mean shit to me. Is it free? I don't know. You tell me. Look, G, all I'm trying to say is the truth. And a whole lot of people overdue for what they can use, and that shit going bad shit when I'm on the track. And this dope is running out like magic. I mean, it's that quick. And that's my sick, I just asked it. But hey, looking past it, I be getting long neck like a draft nick. Hey, that's it.